In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oanda Currency Converter. We'll walk through the essentials so you can quickly check live exchange rates, convert amounts with confidence, and make sense of the extra insights the tool provides. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're seeing, and how to use the results. First, open the Oanda website. On the home page, look for the Tools section and choose Currency Converter. This takes you to a clean, dedicated page designed for quick conversions. If you plan to use it often, consider bookmarking the converter page so it's always one click away. Next, select the currencies. Start by choosing the currency you want to convert from. Then pick the currency you want to convert to. For example, you might convert from USD to PHP. The converter uses Oanda's latest exchange rate data, so you're working with up-to-date information. If you're unsure about currency codes, just focus on the country or currency name and double-check you've set the direction correctly. Converting from USD to PHP is different from converting from PHP to USD. Now, enter the amount you want to convert. Type in the value, like 100 for 100 USD, and the converter will instantly show you the equivalent in your chosen currency using the current rate. You can adjust the number at any time to see how different amounts translate. Keep in mind that exchange rates fluctuate throughout the day, so if you revisit later, the result may change slightly. Also note that the displayed rate is a market reference. Actual transaction rates from banks or payment services can include fees or spreads. Beyond the basic conversion, take a moment to view the additional information the converter provides. You may see historical exchange rates, daily high and low values, and charts showing how the currency pair has moved over time. These visuals help you understand short-term volatility and longer-term trends. For instance, if the chart shows a recent spike, the current rate may be at a high compared to recent days, which can be useful context when timing a conversion. Historical data is also helpful if you're comparing today's rate against previous weeks or months to see whether a rate looks favorable. Finally, think about common uses. Traders often check Forex rates before making decisions. If you're sending or receiving international payments, the converter gives you a quick estimate of what to expect. And if you're comparing historical currency values for budgeting or analysis, those charts and past rates provide helpful perspective. That's it. Simple, clear, and fast. Use the converter, confirm your currencies, enter your amount, and leverage the extra insights to make informed choices.